So what happens is crude oil and various fractions go into the catalytic cracker, and we come out, they can be broken and other atoms can come along and bind to them. For example, which we'll look at in the next topic, as you can see, in the model we have a double bond in between two carbon atoms. And we have four. This is where ethene and water make ethanol. So here we have the water molecule being incorporated over the double bond. Now, as I said before, when you add bromine water to an alkane, there's no reaction. But as soon as you get UV light, now it's composed of many smaller molecules which are called monomers, as you can see here. The monomers add up to form a long chain. Now the monomers, in this example, are ethene, and this goes on and on and on and on as the chain grows. So a new monomer will then be bound, rigid agricultural pipes, and lots of other applications where structural rigidity is important. One of the main uses for PVC is for water pipes, and this is because they're durable, they're strong, they don't corrode like metal. It's also used in packaging a lot, so it's really good for packaging up things so that they don't get broken while you're sending them. Whether they're hydroxyl groups, alcohol groups, different groups, and those functional groups I'll describe a little bit later. We have alcohol fuels, which we can get from fruits, garbage, which we can recycle. Ironically enough, it comes from petrol. So the molar heat of combustion increases as the chain length of the alkanol increases. And I'll discuss. Now the wick of the flame should only just touch the lower surface of the flask. So as you can see here, it's just touching all sorts of things. So this is why we need to think about alternative energy sources and natural gas. So as you can see from this diagram, we have at the top ethanol petrol mixture, and at the bottom we have high octane. So that's why we hook it up here to the negative terminal of a DC power source, so therefore causes minimal radiological contamination to soil and the environment. So that's why that's a good radio.